tacos.
I'll stick these.
Kit Kats.
Marion.
Train, keep them in the whatever. No.
Oh.
Train. Oh, you're really sick.
That's what you do. Chocolate everything. Chocolate everything.
Oh, they're big.
Oh, this one's yours. It's smaller.
Oh.
Dude! Dude, look at this thing. Their newspaper so smooth. Feel it, it's like
Oh,
plastic.
it's like magazine.
There's some more from this.
Okay, say something about the newspaper, Julian. Why you're giving it to mommy?
This is 1,000 BD. 1,450 BD. 19,900 BD.
Thank you for the newspapers. Now I can practice reading.
And here's some more, Mom. These are like, the magazines have been a newspaper, and the newspapers have been a magazine.
Oh, that's weird.
And here's another.
Oh, it's all like shiny.